piece of black electrician's mastic insulating tape I put on the regulator to keep the vibration and scratches down inside of the unit. Okay, once you do the hack to clean out the valves, you can get perfectly cooked bacon, no burn marks. My flame right now is so low on here that the eggs are just slow cooking. No burning. Look how big the pot placeholders these things are. You can put two big 12-inch pans on here, and I need two hands. So once you do the valve clean out, you can see no burned eggs. I cooked this in the same pan that I cooked my bacon. So any problems you're having with cooking is not because of the heat or the oven, it's because of your pans and trying to do two things in one pan. And there you go. Breakfast. Hey Alexa, subscribe to Uncle Fjester on YouTube.